The OYAYO Folding Piano Keyboard 88 offers a unique combination of portability and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and adults. With its full-size semi-weighted keys, this keyboard provides a playing experience that closely resembles that of an acoustic piano, enhancing the joy and creativity of playing music. The keyboard's ability to connect via Bluetooth and MIDI allows for seamless integration with educational apps and recording software, offering endless possibilities for music creation and learning. Weighing under 9 pounds and folding to a compact size, this keyboard is incredibly easy to transport, ensuring that you can practice or perform anywhere without hassle. Equipped with a rich array of sounds, rhythms, and demo songs, as well as additional features like a metronome and chord functions, this keyboard caters to both casual and professional musicians. With its sleek design and long battery life, the OYAYO Folding Piano Keyboard 88 makes for a thoughtful and practical gift for music enthusiasts of all ages.